Hello and welcome, this is Srinivas, and in this video I'm going to solve some kind of a problem related to my last video. So I just want to make sure that you need to watch the previous video which I have discussed that power of a number to find out the last digit when it is power to x, something like that. So you just want to refer that video and let's go ahead in the paper screen and I'll show you some kind of examples how to pretend the last digit of a number. Okay, in this video I'm just solving some kind of problems. So here's the problem. First problem, unit digit in the product. We just need to find out the unit digit after multiplying with the product. So we are just dealing with the unit digit, so we just need to deal with the unit digit. 7 into 9, 7 nines, we just get 63. So take 3 only, and 3 4s are 12. Till now the unit digit is 2 and 2 3s are 6, and here the unit digit is 6 and 6 6 is 36. So we just need unit digit only, right? So 6 is the unit digit after multiplying all these elements, which is we are getting some kind of big number, right? In that number 6 would be the last digit. The last digit and here is the problem number 2. The last digit in 2 power 98, 3 power 146 and 6 power 98. These kind of problems we need to solve like this. In the previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video, just go and check out. In that video I just explain every element, whose their powers and what about their last digits. Just go and check it. And I'm just explain over here. I'm just going to explain over here. If 2 power 1, that means 2 square, that means 4, 2 cube, that means 8, and 2 power 4, that means 6. The sum of first one and third one should be 10. The sum of second one and the fourth one should be 10. In that way you can remember these things. For the same 3 also can draw 3 square, something like that. 9 and 3 cube, 7 and 3 power 4, it will be 1. For the 6, all it remains 6 for every element. 6 square 36 and 6 cube, we are getting last digit as 6 only. So for 98, in those 2 power elements, there are the 4 elements, there are the 4 possibilities of getting last digit. So that's why I just divide by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. The remainder is 2. So that's why till here the remainder would be 4. For 146 here also 4 possibilities. So that's why I'm just dividing with the 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24, and here also remainder is 2, and we get 9 over here and 6 over here. After multiplying 4 9s 36, we need to take a last digit only, right? 6 6 36 and 6 is the answer. So here we need to deal with 4 1 3 whole power 31 and 2 1 and 9 whole power 9. We know we are having last digit is 3. 31 divided by 4, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, and the remainder is equal to 3. Since the remainder is 3, the last digit will be 7 over here, and the last digit of 9 power 1 is 9. 9 square, last digit is 1. If 9 having odd power, the last digit will be 9. If 9 having even power, the last digit will be 1. We are having odd power here, so the last digit will be 9. And in this kind of sum, this is a bigger value and this is a smaller value. So 7 minus 9 is not possible. So assume like that. 413 whole power 31 is something like bigger value of 7, and 219 whole power 9 is something like a smaller value ending with a 9. So in that case we just need to multiply subtract 17. Oh, that same subtraction rule follows over here. 17 minus 9, the value comes in 8. So that's why the last digit is 8 over here. So in these kind of problems, you must need to be careful about these things. This is a look like that somewhat big problem, so that's why there is a technique over here. If you can see 2 power 09, 3 power 4, 475, and 5 power 96, and 6 power 98, 7 power 01, 9 power 103. If you can see 5 in those product, you must need to careful about is there any even number over here. Means 5 into even number, it will become 0, and 5 into odd number, the last digit will be 5. If whatever the value you take, 2 is having something like 4 possibilities, right? 2, 4, 8, 6. So if 5 is multiplied with any of these values, the last digit would be 0. If 0 is multiplied with any of these values, everything will become 0. So that's why here is last digit would be 0. If you want, you can check it out here, and that's it. And this is like 71. This dot represents product. 71 into 72 into 73, and so on, 78 into 79. So if you carefully observe, the 75 is in between 73 and 78, 74, 75, 76, 77, and 78. So in that way, if 5 is multiplied with 2, the last digit will become 0. If 0 is multiplied with any of these values, the last digit would be again 0. If you like my videos, just consider subscribing my channel, and thank you very much for watching my videos.